Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens. Joe here, and as you can see, our enormous selection of pumpkins, gourds, and winter squashes are ready to adorn your porches and shine at your dinner table. As we head into fall, it can be easy to get those end of the summer blues. But if vegetable gardening is your passion, you'll be excited to know that this is the best time of the year to get the second round of veggies into the ground. In this video, we'll be going over some of the best cold season crops that you can plant now and harvest all the way through the first frost. Let's get to gardening.
Since the weather's cooling down a little bit, it's time to plant your lettuce. And we have got a bunch of varieties to choose from here at Bountiful Gardens.
Onions serve many purposes in the cold season garden. For one, you can grow them for the onions themselves, or you can harvest the greens and use them in salads and stir fries. They also help to repel deer because they're a member of the Allium family. There's so many uses for them.
Brussels sprouts are one of my favorite cold season vegetables. They produce mini cabbage-like heads along their stem that are so tasty.
Parsley is another great herb to add to the cold season vegetable garden because temperatures are cooler, so it grows more densely. It's also a great food source for the black swallowtail butterfly, so planting this ensures that they have a food source right before they form their winter chrysalises.
This sassy mix of leafy vegetables consists of mustards and arugula and some other flavorful greens to spice up your salad.
Sage is a fantastic herb to add to your cold season vegetable garden. Not only is it perennial in New Jersey, but it's very cold hardy, and it only gets more silvery and beautiful as temperatures drop.
Radishes are a great cold season vegetable. They boast a spicy and nutty flavor, and they are incredibly crisp, making them great for your salads. Kale is an extremely nutrient-dense green that is great cooked or raw.
Just like parsley, cilantro is great to plant this time of year because with cooler temperatures, it grows more densely and is less prone to bolting.
Pak Choi is a great cold season cooking green. My favorite way to cook it is with a little bit of oil, some garlic, and some salt and pepper to really appreciate the taste of the leaves.
If you want to add an extra food source for black swallowtail butterflies in your cold season garden, you can plant some fennel. It's actually perennial in New Jersey, so you and the butterflies can enjoy it for years to come.
Broccoli needs no introduction. This is a great cold season vegetable that we all know and love. Cauliflower is a great cold season crop. They will produce a crown that is much more dense than its counterpart, broccoli.
Planting big leafy greens like this bright light Swiss chard is a great way to add variety and color to your cold season garden. Plus, you can harvest it right before winter and freeze it to save it for soups and stocks.
Cabbage is a vegetable that loves the cold. In fact, if you grow it in colder conditions, when you harvest it, it'll be sweeter. Arugula is a great cold season cutting green, and with a spicy flavor, it's sure to keep you warm this fall.
Peppermint is another great herb to add to your cold season garden because it helps to repel deer and other pests from the rest of your veggies. Plus, you can harvest it right before winter and cozy up with a nice cup of peppermint tea. For a medicinal herb that you might not think is perennial, you can plant eucalyptus. It's actually very cold hardy here in New Jersey. You just cut it back at the end of the season and it comes back every year. And you can use these stems for aromatherapy in the shower or in arrangements.
Many people think kohlrabi is a root vegetable. However, its bulb is actually a modified stem, and it has the flavor of cabbage and a broccoli stem, which makes it great for roasting to take on the flavor of whatever's around it.
So don't let your mood drop with the temperatures. Come and pick up some of these fantastic cold hardy crops and enjoy bountiful harvests through the holidays. And while you're here, be sure to check out our huge selection of fall annuals, perennials, pumpkins, gourds, decor, and more. If it has to do with fall, rest assured, we've got it all. So thanks again for watching yet another one of our videos. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you like the video, leave us a comment down below, let us know which plants you'd like to see next, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content. Thanks again, we'll see you next time.